Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. Today I'm shopping the Target Dollar Spot, and I'm looking for more Halloween items at the Target Dollar Spot and more fall items than the last time I was here. I did see a little bit of fall, and you should check that video out if you want to see that. So they have this like wall decor, and it says hello fall, welcome, and it has like fall vibes going on. Then they have this one, and it's like more for Halloween. So this one is super cute. It says guests are dying to stay here. That's cute. And if there's anything I don't go into detail in, it's because I already shared it in my last Target Dollar Spot video. So you should check that one out too. So over here they have more Halloween items. They have these candles that look like skulls. So they have this teal blue candle skull. And then they also have a purple one. And they're just $3. And they have these little chalkboard items for $3. They have a bat one. They have this pumpkin. And I like the glitter around the edges of it. And they have this cauldron. So those are super cute. And they have these Halloween buckets. This one says sweet and spooky. And your kids can use this to go trick-or-treating, or you could just have it to put your candy in. This one says you've been booed. You could even put a gift in it for someone who has a fall or Halloween birthday. So over here, I noticed this leopard print pumpkin. And it's hot pink with little leopard spots on it. It's so cute. And then they have these kitchen towels. This one says Happy Halloween, and they're set of 2. So the other side has pumpkins on it, and then there's this one. It says Bon Appetit, and it has a skeleton on this one, and then on the other one, it has skulls. Like the crossbone, skulls and crossbone. And they have some socks. And they have these little like dinosaur and animal toys. You can make their mouth move. And then I noticed this little 3-pack of cotton candy, like Halloween theme. And look at all the candles they have. They have fall and mainly fall candles for $3. And those are cute as a little extra as a gift or for your room decor.